Okay. Hands in chin mudra, everybody. And now we will start taking deep breaths. Inhale, slowly expand your abdomen. Exhale, bring your abdomen in, relax your body completely. Inhale, you feel your abdomen is expanding. Exhale, bring your abdomen in, squeeze your tummy in, let go of the last drop of carbon dioxide from your lungs. Inhale, slowly expand your abdomen. Exhale, gently bring your abdomen in, squeeze your tummy in. We will continue this deep breathing for some time. Inhale, expand. Exhale and relax. As you inhale, feel the beautiful healing energy from the universe entering to your system. And as you exhale, let go of everything that is not required for your mind and body. Inhale slowly, taking the new energy of this brand new day. Exhale and let go of everything that is not required for your mind and body. Inhale, feel the cool air entering through your nostrils. Exhale, the warm air coming out of your nostrils. We are inhaling and exhaling through our nose only. If this is difficult for you, let me know. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your nose. As you inhale slowly, feel a divine connection. We all are connected to a divine supreme power. And as you exhale, feel the divinity in each and every cell in your body. Now again, inhale. Slowly be grateful for this life. And as you exhale, surrender everything to the Almighty. Now we are going to inhale and hold for at least 5 seconds. Inhale, expand your abdomen, chest and shoulders, and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop your shoulders, relax your body. If you can hold for longer, please practice for holding little longer. If you cannot hold for 5 seconds, you can exhale as soon as possible and slowly increase the practice. Inhale, again expand your abdomen, chest and shoulders, and hold. And slowly drop your shoulders, chest and abdomen. Relax your body. And one last time, inhale, expand your abdomen, chest and shoulders. And hold. And drop your shoulders, chest and abdomen. Relax your body. And now we will do 3 Om, one after another, while exhaling. Inhale. Try to chant for a little longer. Feel the vibrations, energizing your entire body from toes to head. After Om chanting, pause for a little bit and feel the silence. You have to just realize the silence. It takes you to a state of deeper silence. Om is a combination of three sounds, U and So two-thirds you have to do U and it should end with this sound, humming sound. Okay, while chanting Om, your focus should be in between your eyebrows or feel the energy traveling from the lower back, from your tailbone all the way to the crown of the head. Inhale one more time. Om. Feel the beautiful vibrations of Om, energizing your entire body. And now one more time, inhale. Om. And relax your body. Feel the beautiful vibrations of Om, energizing your body and calming your mind down, taking your mind into a state of deeper silence. You may practice it for a little longer, about 21 times you may practice. Now we will do a silent Om in the mind without making any sound. We will chant Om in the mind while exhaling. Inhale slowly and a silent Om when we exhale. And now bring your hands in Namaskar. We'll start this class with three prayers, starting with Om Purnamada Purnamidam. If you know the prayer, you chant with me. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. And with that, bring your hands to your back, hold your right wrist with your left hand. Inhale in back, exhale in forward with a complete sense of surrender. Surrender your health, wealth, happiness, and sorrow. Surrender your success and failure. Surrender your ego. Surrender this life and surrender this moment. Nothing belongs to you. Everything has been given to us temporarily to perform our actions in this world. Even this body doesn't belong to us. With that, slowly come up and release your hands and rub your palms. Gently cup them on your eyes without touching your eyelids. Let us do another humming sound as we exhale. Inhale. Again, rub your palms on your ears, another humming sound. Inhale. and release. Deep inhale, exhale. Again, rub your palms. Gently put it on the neck without any pressure. Another humming sound. Inhale. And release. Deep inhale, exhale. And now interlace your fingers and gently press your forehead. Another humming sound. Inhale. And release. And now interlace your fingers, press the back of your head. Another humming sound. Inhale. And release. Feel the vibrations going down on your spine, energizing your spine and neck region. And now, interlace your fingers gently. Press the crown of your head. Again, inhale. And release. Feel the vibrations of humming sound, energizing your entire body, the head region, calming your mind down. And now stick your tongue out as long as possible. And roll your tongue around your jaws. Let go of all the stress that you're holding around your jaws. And now stretch your facial muscles by bringing a beautiful smile on your face. Big spine. Now gently pull your ears down. And pull them sideways. And pull them up. And now gently close your earlobes. Again, another humming sound. Inhale. Release and relax. Deep inhale, exhale. Okay. So you wanted some leg stretching. So I will first show this leg stretching. Okay. You can just sit with your straight leg, hands behind. And now point and flex your toes. Inhale, point. Exhale, flex. Inhale, point. Exhale, flex. Point, flex. 20 to 30 times you can do this. Inhale, point. Exhale, flex. Inhale, point. Exhale, flex. Now point and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, flex and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now separate your legs and swing your legs from left to right, left to right. Try to bring your toes to the floor every time you are bringing it to the left and to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now rotate your feet. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bounce your knees up and down, legs up. This you can do for a little longer. I am doing only 10 times. You can do little longer. And now stop the practice. Join your legs together. Now lift your right leg 4 to 5 inches above the ground. Exhale, bend, inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend, inhale, stretch. Leg is up above the ground. Like this. You can do as many times as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now hold here without dropping the leg on the floor. Hold and take your leg to the side and back. To the side, right leg. This is my right leg. So right leg going all the way to the right and back to the center. All the way to the right, back to the center. All the way to the right, back to the center. Like this, you do as many times as you can. And then drop your legs, relax in Shikhila Dandasana. And now, other leg. Lift the left leg 4 to 5 inches above the ground and bend. Exhale, bend, inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend, inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend, inhale, stretch. Like this leg also, you do as many times as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold here. The leg is up above the ground, left leg. So it's going all the way to the left. As much as you can, take it to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale to the center. Take it to the left. Inhale to the center and the left. Like this. You take break. If you are tired, take break and continue. Take break and continue as many times as you can. And drop your leg. Relax it. Shikhila Dandasana. Now, the next practice for leg stretching also, this is also very good. You drop, bend your leg, grab your toes, and straighten your knee. Bring your forehead to the knee. And bend. Inhale, stretch. Forehead on the knee. And bend. Like this. Also, do as many times as you can. 10 to 20 times or take break. If you are tired, continue again. And hold now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And drop. And relax in Shikhila Dandasana. If you are not used to this kind of stretch, you might feel little bit of catch this area. The muscle might, you get little bit of catch in the muscle. So be careful. Do it very slowly. Now, bend the other leg and straighten your knee as much as possible. Bring the forehead to the knee. And bend. And people who cannot sit on the floor also, they can do this how much ever you can. Straight knee and bend. On the chair also, you can straighten your knee and bend. Bend. And stretch. And bend. One last time, stretch. Bring your forehead to the knee. And release. And relax it. Shikhila Dandasana. Another simple practice you can do this. Half butterfly. One leg straight on the floor. The other leg, you hold it like a baby. One hand at the knee, one hand at your foot, and swing from left to right. 1, 2, 3. You can do it as many times as you can. 50 to 60 times also you can do. 8, 9, 10. Now bring your big toe to the forehead and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Relax in Shithila Dandasana. Now lift the other leg and swing from left to right, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bring the big toe to the forehead and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Now let us do the full butterfly. This is also another very good exercise to improve your leg strength. Join the soles of your feet together. Grab your toes and lift your knees up. Up and down. Tap your thighs. Make sure your thighs are touching the floor every time you are bringing them down. Body straight, shoulders straight. Feel the stretch on your shoulders, on your inner thighs. Use all your force. Lift your knees up and down. Do as many times as you can without straining your body too much. And now you can stop the practice. Hold your toes. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward as much as you can. Try to bring your forehead on the floor. Inhale, go back. Exhale, forward. Like this. You will do 10 to 20 times. Inhale up. Exhale down. And stretch your hands. And hold like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up and relax. To improve the strength, so the best thing you do is Surya Namaskar. Okay, I will just show you 2 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Very slow. Slow Surya Namaskar you can do. On the chair also, you can do chair Surya Namaskar or the complete Surya Namaskar. Come to the front of your mat. Hands in Namaskar. Namaskar. Inhale, lift your hands up, go back in Ardha Chakrasana. Hold for as long as possible. Do the slow one. Exhale, bend forward. Hands on your feet, forehead to the knee. As much as possible, palm as possible. Now inhale, your right foot goes back in hot sliding pose. If this is difficult, you can drop the knee on the floor also. This is fine. Now exhale, left leg goes back in plank pose. Both knees above the ground. Your back is flat. Now drop your knees and chin. Your abdomen above the ground. Ashtanga Namaskar. Now from Ashtanga Namaskar, straighten your leg. Come to Cobra pose. Now exhale, lift your body, come to mountain pose. Your feet on the ground and chin to the chest, your head down. Now from here again, you bring your right foot forward in between your 2 palms. And you can drop your left knee on the floor also, that is fine. If you can, lift it slightly. Now, left foot to the right foot, forehead to the knee. Slowly come up, bend back, go back. Namaskar. Okay? Now similarly on the other side also we will do. Take break, Enough break. If you are tired, take break. Do not overdo. Hands in namaskar again. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Forehead to the knees. And now left foot goes back in horse riding pose. You may drop the knee on the floor. Now right foot goes back as you exhale in plank pose. Now drop your knees, chest and chin, your abdomen above the ground. This is Ashtanga Namaskar. Now straighten your legs, come to Cobra pose. Look up. Now exhale, come to mountain. Heels on the ground. Your head down. From here, your left foot again comes forward. Right knee slightly above the ground. Look straight. Now, right foot comes to the left foot. Leg straight. Forehead on the knee. Pada Hastasana. Now again come up, inhale, go back. Exhale, hands in. Namaskar. Okay. Any questions so far? Whatever we have done so far, any questions? Clear, right? Okay. Then we can practice some pranayam now. Okay. Deep in, exhale.
ये जो सूर्य नमस्कार है, अभी जो कई कोविड पेशेंट अगर मान लीजिए अभी इमीडिएटली रिकवर हुए हैं तो दे कैन डू और नॉट?
जिनका कोविड खत्म हो गया है धीरे धीरे करके शुरू कर सकते हैं अगर बॉडी में स्ट्रेंथ है तो,
बिकॉज इट इज वेरी इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी यू नो.
हाँ, तो पहले 10-15 दिन तो खाली प्राणायाम से ही आपका एनर्जी लेवल बहुत ये हो जाएगा. प्राणायाम का जो है ना, आपका जो प्राणायाम करने से आपकी एनर्जी लेवल बहुत जल्दी से रिकवर हो जाता है. If your body is fit, if you think you can do all these things, listen to your body.
Okay.
आप अपना खुद डिसाइड कर सकते हैं कि ये मैं कर सकती हूँ कि नहीं. ये you have to decide. But if somebody is not energetic, को फील नहीं हो रहा है, तो प्राणायाम से ही, रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस से ही आपका जल्दी से एनर्जी रिकवर हो जाएगा. इमीडिएटली तो आप सूर्य नमस्कार नहीं कर सकते.
वेरी इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ.
सूर्य नमस्कार के लिए, स्टैंडिंग सूर्य नमस्कार के लिए स्पेशली थोड़ा ज्यादा आपको फिट होना जरूरी है. आप नहीं कर सकेंगे पहले few days. Then chair सूर्य नमस्कार you can try. The best is to try प्राणायाम. प्राणायाम से ही आपको ज्यादा एनर्जी मिलेगा और आप बहुत जल्दी रिकवर करेंगे. प्राणायाम से ही एनर्जी बिल्डअप हो जाता है. ओके. Okay. Any other question?
No.
प्राणायाम कितने रोज कर सकते हैं?
प्राणायाम कितनी बार कर सकते हैं दीप्ति जैसे दिन में? 2 बार कि 3 बार?
जितने बार जितना कर सकेंगे उतना अच्छा. जितना कर सकेंगे. प्राणायाम का ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मैं आपको खाली बताऊंगी 2-3 प्राणायाम है जिसके लिए आप कम, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा नहीं करें तो अच्छा. बाकी का जो प्राणायाम है वो जितना बार कर सकेंगे. ओम चैंटिंग आप जितना कर सकेंगे, अनुलोम विलोम, नाड़ी शुद्धि प्राणायाम जितना कर सकेंगे, भ्रामरी जितना कर सकेंगे उतना अच्छा. खाली कपालभाति और भस्त्रिका दोनों थोड़ा कम करनी. अभी करते हैं. We will start with Kapalbhati breathing. Actually, before Kapalbhati breathing, let us do the sectional breathing. You can sit before Kapalbhati. We will first do sectional breathing, Vibhagiya pranayam. Vibhagiya pranayam. कुछ भी क्वेश्चन है तो आप पूछ लीजिए. Sit straight, hands in chin mudra. विभागीय प्राणायाम with नादानुसंधान, with sound करेंगे, which is very very effective to improve your lung capacity. Hands in chin mudra, join the index and the thumb together. Inhale, expand your abdomen. As we exhale, we will do the akara chanting. वाइब्रेशंस जो होता है उसको थोड़ा फील करिए. ओके, इमीडिएटली दूसरा नहीं करना. ओके, वॉच मी again. Inhale, expand your abdomen. Exhale with Akara chanting again. इसको हम बेड पे लेट के भी कर सकते हैं, सो के भी प्राणायाम कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ अगेन one more time. While exhaling, while you chant the akara, feel your tummy coming in. Okay, inhale, expand your abdomen and akara chanting. And relax. Observe the beautiful vibrations of akara chanting, energizing the lower part of your body. And now we will do the chest breathing. Inhale, expand your, we have to adopt the Chinmaya Mudra. Fold the other 3 fingers. Keep it on your knee. Inhale, expand your chest. As you exhale, Ukara chanting. Try to chant it for little longer. Use your lung capacity and feel the middle part of your body relaxing to a deeper level with Om chanting. Again, inhale, expand your chest. Exhale with Om chanting. Deep inhale, exhale. Absorb the relaxing effect of chanting in the middle part of your body. One more time. Inhale, expand your chest. Ooh. And deep inhale, exhale. And feel the beautiful vibrations of Om. Relaxing the middle part of your body to a deeper level. And now adopt Adi Mudra by tucking your thumb around your fingers. This is Adi Mudra. Put it on your knee. And we are going to do the shoulder breathing. Inhale slowly. Expand your shoulders by lifting them gently. As you exhale, we will do a humming sound. Inhale, expand your shoulders. Exhale with a humming sound. Inhale, exhale. Feel the vibrations of humming sound. Relaxing the upper part of your body. You're heading gently to a deeper level. One last time. Inhale, expand your shoulders. Exhale with a humming sound. And relax. Now, adopt. Join the knuckles together. Adopt Brahma Mudra. Join the knuckles together. And put your knuckles on your belly button. We will do all three breathing together. And as we exhale, we will chant the Om sound. Inhale, expand your abdomen, chest and shoulders. Exhale with the Om chanting. Om. Deep inhale, exhale. Feel the vibrations of Om completely energizing your entire body from toes to head. And now again, inhale, expand your abdomen, chest and shoulders. Exhale with Om. Om. Deep inhale again. One last time. Inhale, expand your abdomen, chest and shoulders. Exhale with Om. Om. And now gently bring your hands back in Chin Mudra. Observe the changes in your mind and body. Entire body is energized. You can chant for a little longer. You can lie down on the bed and practice this pranayama as well. And practice this chanting for a little longer. Observe your mind. Number of thoughts in your mind has reduced to a larger extent. Body is completely relaxed. Any questions on this pranayama? Okay. Now we will do Kapalbhati breathing. Kapalbhati, as I mentioned, it should be done in empty stomach. In early morning, as soon as you get up, practice Kapalbhati. If you have high blood pressure, back pain, heart problem, epilepsy, asthma, please, you have to consult your doctor before practicing this. And if your blood pressure is under control, then you can do 1 stroke per second, maximum 1 to 2 minutes, not more than that. But if you are a healthy person, you can practice it for 5 minutes, 5 to 20 minutes you can do, if you do not have any issues. So let us, today we will do 1 stroke per second for 60 seconds. How to do Kapalbhati? You sit straight, any position, you sit straight, and we will do complete forceful exhalation by bringing our tummy in. Exhale through your nose and tummy in at the same time. So watch me. Deep inhale, exhale. Now inhale and begin. I am exhaling and bringing my tummy in at the same time. Inhalation happens automatically. Do not inhale. You do not have to inhale. Only forceful exhalation. Continuously, we will do 1 stroke per second 60 times. Any questions?
Dipti, you have changed your position. Na? Is it better than what as we are sitting?
Yes, this is better if you can sit in Vajrasana. This is obviously a better position because your body is pretty straight, you know, when you are sitting. When I am sitting in Sukhasana, this is also fine. This also you can do. But if I sit in Vajrasana, this, you know, your body is pretty, you know, straight and you get a lot of pressure here also.
Okay. Thank you.
See the difference. If you can sit, some people have knee problem. That's why I'm not enforcing Vajrasana. You sit whichever is comfortable for you. Even while lying down or while sitting in the sofa, also you can do.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. 1 stroke per second. Any questions on this? Let us do 60 times. You might feel little tired after a few times. Then you rest and continue again. Whenever you are tired, you take a break and continue. And stop the practice. After the practice, it is very important to observe the silence. Very important to observe the Kevala Kumbhaka, where you stop breathing for a few seconds. You don't need to breathe anymore. And your mind goes into a deeper state of silence. And healing takes place here only when the mind is completely silent. This is a cleansing pranayama. It cleanses your internal organs, removes any kind of toxins from your body. So that's why first thing in the morning you should do this pranayama, Kapalbhati breathing. Next we will do Bhastrika pranayama, deep inhale, exhale. Now as you inhale, lift your shoulders up, try to touch your ears, inhale. And as you exhale, forcefully bring it down with sound. This pranayama, we use sound. Inhale forcefully. Exhale forcefully. And stop the practice. This pranayama awakens your body, supplies instant supply of blood to your brain, instant supply of oxygen to your entire body. You can practice for 10, 10, 10, 30 times and slowly increase. Deep inhale, exhale. This is also best if you practice in empty stomach. Okay. Next we will do Ujjayi pranayama. Now for Ujjayi pranayama, we are going to use our throat muscles while inhaling. You can watch me before you do. Any questions on Bhastrika? Okay. Now we will do Ujjayi pranayama. In Ujjayi pranayama, we will inhale and use our throat muscles. Okay. Watch me. And we will make this shrill, one sound that will come when you use your throat muscle, when you pull your throat muscles. Watch me. And then lock your chin Lift your chin, close your right nostril, exhale to left. And after this, deep inhale, exhale. Any questions on Ujjayi? We are using our throat muscles and locking it. If locking is difficult for anyone, you can immediately exhale. If you don't remember which nostril to close, you just exhale through both the nostrils. That is also fine. Okay? Let us do for a few rounds. Inhale. Long exhalation. Exhalation should be long. Again. One last time. You can practice this 5 to 10 times. People who have thyroid problem or snoring problem, you can practice for a little longer, about 20 times you can do. Otherwise, 5 to 10 times is fine. Okay, next we will do Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. You have time? Okay, Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. Or some people call it Anulom and Vilom Pranayam. Take your right hand in Nasika Mudra. Bend the first two fingers. Any questions on this, please unmute yourself and ask me. Bend the first two fingers, index finger and the middle finger. We are going to use the thumb and the ring finger, left hand in Chin Mudra. Close your right nostril through your thumb and inhale, exhale through your left nostril. First inhale, exhale, then slowly inhale through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with your ring finger. Exhale through your right nostril. Inhale slowly through your right nostril. Close your right nostril. Exhale through your left nostril. Inhale through left. Close it with your ring finger. Exhale through right. No need to rush. Breathe as slow as possible. Your exhalation should be at least twice as long as your inhalation. Which means if you are inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, exhalation should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Longer exhalation. If this is difficult, then you do it at your own pace. 1:1 is also fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also fine. But if you can exhale for a little longer, it is better. While exhaling, feel the last drop of carbon dioxide getting flushed out of your system. Mind and body relaxing to a deeper level. This is a balancing pranayam. It balances your left and right brain, balances your energy channels, cleanses your energy channels, cleanses any blockages in your energy channel, enables smooth flow of energy in your entire body. You feel fresh, energetic like a newborn baby. Immediately it releases stress, calms the mind down, improves your memory and concentration. Recommended for all ailments, and recommended number is 108 times per day. The longer you practice, the better benefit you get. You may practice this pranayam before or after food, doesn't matter. But all pranayams are recommended before food to get the maximum benefit. Try it before food. And do the one last round. Any other questions? Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. One last pranayam. Actually, I would like to do the Shitali pranayam also to calm the mind down. It is very, very important to do Shitali pranayam. There are 3 different cooling pranayam which I will be doing now. Please observe.
Cooling effect.
Sorry.
Cooling effect.
Repeat yourself. Starting with Shitali pranayam. Roll your tongue. Inhale through your tongue. Open your mouth. Exhale through your nose.
नाक से निकालना है.
Inhale through your tongue. Close. Exhale through your nose. Inhale through your tongue. Close. Exhale through your nose. This is called Shitali pranayam. Feel the cooling effect around the mouth. Now we will do Sitkari pranayam. Fold your tongue from the tip. Like this. Hold your tongue. And then inhale through your mouth. Close your mouth. Exhale through your nose. Hold your tongue and inhale.
का नाम ही है शीतली प्राणायाम.
Close your mouth. Exhale through your nose.
मिष्टी को भी टेस्ट बड्स हेल्प करेगा. लेकिन मेरी वो आ जाएगी. मिष्टी के टेस्ट बड्स में हेल्प करेगा. अब खाली बैठी करेगी नहीं.
One last. Now we will do Saddanta pranayam. You already feel the cooling effect around your mouth. Saddanta. Join your teeth. Inhale through your teeth by making a hissing sound. Close your mouth. Exhale through your nose. Inhale through your teeth. Close your mouth. Exhale through your nose. Again, inhale through your teeth. Close your mouth. Exhale through your nose. And absorb the beautiful relaxing effect. All the burden from your shoulders getting released. You are completely relaxed. Now the last pranayam we will do is Bhramari pranayam. In Bhramari pranayam, you have to close your ears with your thumb. Put lot of pressure. You have to close this area where you can see this thing. You have to close, press that thing. Okay. You should be able to hear your voice only. Bhramari mein, you should be able to hear your voice only. So as in, using your thumb, you have to close your ears. We will do it in Sanmukhi Mudra, like this. Index finger closing your eyes. The middle fingers right by the sides of your nose. Little fingers above your lips. Sorry, ring finger above your lips. Little fingers below your lips. This is Sanmukhi Mudra. If you do not remember this mudra, you can directly do this.
ऐसे बंद
Close
करो
your eyes and index finger on the forehead. Any questions?
है ना ये लोग इससे ऐसे करना है.
Any questions on this? Do you want me to demo it?
just stay there.
No, we have to breathe.
कैसे ब्रीथ करेंगे?
Oh, she will tell now.
Okay. Close your ears with your thumb. Close your eyes. Your index finger on your eyes. No pressure. Middle finger by the sides of your nose. Join your ring finger above your lips. Join your little fingers below your lips. Now, bring your tongue to the upper palate. Tongue to the upper palate. Touch your tongue to the upper palate. Now we will do the humming sound. Humming sound 3 times. Ideally, you should do 21 times. Let us do 3 times now. Inhale and start.
किसी से होल्ड नहीं कर पा रहा कोई.
Mute कर दो.
And slowly release. Bhramari is a healing pranayam. You may do it 21 times to get the maximum benefit. 21 times, 3 times a day. The longer you practice, the better. If you do not remember Sanmukhi Mudra, you directly do this. Close your ears, eyes with your fingers, 4 fingers on your forehead, and you do the humming sound. This also you can do. So, any questions? Okay. Now we will do Kebali Pranayama. Mind has calmed down. Yes, any questions, Shubha?
No, Deepti, nothing. Everything is clear.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Now we will do Kebali Pranayam. Please sit straight. In Kebali Pranayam, only silent Om chanting. Focus in between your eyebrows. Focus here. Eyes closed. And as you inhale, silent Om in the mind. Exhale, silent Om in the mind. Inhale, silent Om. Exhale, silent Om. And practice this for at least 7 to 12 rounds now. Mind going into a state of deeper silence. And now bring your hands in Namaskar. Let us chant the Mahamrityunjaya mantra 3 times. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pustivardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandhanam Mrityurmokshiyamamritat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pustivardhanam Urvarukamiva Vardhana Mrityurmokshiyamamritat Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandana Mrityurmokshiyamamritat. And feel the beautiful vibrations of Mahamrityunjaya mantra, healing each and every cell to a deeper level. Entire mind and body are healed. Mind going into a deeper state of silence, a state of non-duality, where there is no right or wrong, no good or bad, no likes or dislikes. At this point, any thoughts you create will become true. Please give yourself positive self-affirmation. Like say to yourself, my mind and body are completely healthy. My mind and body are strong. I have a strong immune system, both mental and physical. I am always guided and protected by a divine light. I am completely insulated. I am always happy and relaxed. You may create any thoughts that come to your mind at this point and repeat those thoughts in your mind several times in your mother tongue. And now bring your hands in Namaskar. We'll close this class with a Shanti mantra. Please chant with me. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhave Om Shanti 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 Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Mritangamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Feel the beautiful divine vibrations of the Shanti mantra, surrounding your mind and body with positive energy, and from you it is spreading all around the universe. May we all be happy, may we all be healthy, may we see only good in others, and may no one suffer. With that, bring your hands to your back, hold your right wrist with your left hand, inhale, lean back, exhale, slowly lean forward with a complete sense of gratitude. Be grateful for this moment, be grateful for your life, and be grateful for everything you have. And slowly get up, come up, rub your palms, and cup them on your eyes, and gently massage your back, massage your head, massage your neck, massage your entire body. Give the healing touch to your entire body. Closing your eyes, open your palms in front of you just like an open book. Look at your palms with couple blinks and visualize your beautiful face, your healthy body and mind, your loved ones, your friends and families. And we bow down to the Almighty for giving us this beautiful life. Thank you all for joining.
Ma'am, can I tell
Any question?